Gemini, hi. Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titingnan natin ang energies ng inyong love life ngayong June 2024. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan Mr. Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description. Meron tayong 3rd anniversary promo, 25% discount sa tarot reading services, extended hanggang May 31, 2024. Okay. Let's see. Gemini, love life. What's coming to you? Unahin natin yung mga in a relationship, no? Ibig sabihin, you are connecting with someone. There is a commitment in your relationship. Gemini, June 2024, love life. The Ace of Swords, communication. Death and rebirth. 6 of Cups. Okay, the 9 of Cups. So, if you are in a relationship with someone right now, pwedeng may energy from the past na pwedeng maka-apekto sa relationship ninyo. It's either person mo from the past or person mo from the past. Merong who wants to communicate. Can be Scorpio, or anyone na may naging connection sa kanya. Pwede ring anak, no? Kung meron kang anak or person mo may anak na matagal nyong hindi na nakakausap, nakakasalamuha, pwedeng maka-receive kayo ng message from them. Reaching out. 9 of Cups is happiness. I feel like meron pa rin kilig tong person from the past. Let's see, what is the Ace of Swords? What is the Ace of Swords? The 3 of Pentacles. Oh, may magre-reach out to work things out with you. Gusto makipag-ayos. Okay, what is the Death and Rebirth? Scorpio energy, 8 of Pentacles. Okay, so for some of you, pwede itong recent relationship ninyo na nagkaroon ng ending. Okay? And maaring yung person na pwede kasi nagkaroon ng breakup dito no? And then nagkaroon ng realization na hindi niya kaya na mawala ka sa buhay mo. Ano ba yun? Mawala ka sa buhay niya. Ano ba? Mawala ka sa buhay niya or mawala siya sa buhay mo. Okay? So, pwedeng someone wants to work things out with you. Lalo na kung meron kayong anak. What is the 6 of Cups? What is the 6 of Cups? The Queen of Cups. Andun pa ang feelings. Oh. Manifesting. Okay. So, I feel like you want pwedeng ikaw yun Ikaw yung gusto mong maayos yung relationship mo ngayon. You may be reaching out to the person from the past na pwedeng nag-away kayo. Nagkaroon ng separation, ending yung relationship ninyo. What is the 9 of Cups? The 5 of Pentacles. Pwede kasing nagkaroon kayo ng misunderstanding related sa pera or sa value na tipong hindi ka naalagaan ng person mo, hindi mo nakuha yung ine-expect mo sa kanya. And I feel like your person still wants to work things out. So, it's either ikaw yung gustong maayos yung relationship or yung person mo. Let's see. Pwede kasing reversal yung roles dito. Work. Dating queen. Pwedeng sa trabaho yung issue ninyo na tipong busy yung person mo, hindi siya, kumbaga parang sa sobrang niyang pagiging busy, hindi na niya naayos yung na-maintain or na-manage yung inyong relationship. Pwedeng issue talaga sa money. And I also see someone here na pwedeng alam ng person mo na maraming may interest sa'yo or pwedeng maging kakonect mo in the future. So, siguro the moment na nakita niya na meron ka nang ine-entertain, dun siya lalong parang nanghinayang sa inyong relationship. Let's see, ano yung feelings? I feel abandoned. I often feel like others let me down. Feeling abandoned yung person mo. Baka ikaw yung nakipaghiwalay sa kanya. I've hurt you and I'm sorry. I hope you can forgive me someday and understand I was reacting in fear. Oh, may sense of insecurity. Siguro yung person mo, insecure siya sa'yo, insecure siya sa mga tao sa paligid mo. Maaring you are someone na maraming may interest sa'yo. Before siya dumating sa buhay mo, pwedeng marami ka nang naging ka-relationship. Dahil you are someone who's very attractive, madaling pakisamahan. Let's see yung feelings mo towards your person. Mga Gemini. It amazes me when we say the same thing at the same time or finish each other's sentences. So, parang ano kayo, meron kayong telepathic na connection. Ay, nararamdaman mo yung nararamdaman ng person mo. Parang pareho kayo ng naiisip. I'm not going to give into fear. I know fear is only an illusion. Okay. So, yeah, like what I mentioned kanina, possible na maayos nyo tong relationship na to. Lalo na kung kung pareho kayo mag-uusap at hindi nyo pa iralin yung inyong pride, no? Yung ego. Oo. I think, yung moment na pwede kasing short separation lang to, no? Yung short na separation na yan, yun yung naging parang awakening moments ninyo pareho na mahirap pala na wala kayo sa isa't isa. So, this is part of your growth and I think you're going to embrace that. Pwedeng bigyan nyo ng chance ang isa't isa. Lalo na you still have both feelings for each other, like romantic feelings. Okay, so let's see naman yung mga single, walang relationship, not committed. Tingnan natin for Gemini ngayong June. Mga single, anong energies ng mga single? What's coming sa mga single na Gemini ngayong June 2024? The Hermit, the Queen of Pentacles. Alam niyo, maingat kayo ngayon sa pagpili ng relationship. Gusto nyo seryoso. Siyempre, sino ba naman gusto ng although may mga tao na hindi pa doon sa level ng pagiging seryoso to the point na magpapakasal agad kayo or what. But I feel like for you, you've been through a lot, no? Maaring nagkaroon ka na ng mga past relationships, experiences na hindi nauuwi sa seryosohan, no? Parang pwedeng hindi nauuwi sa pagpapakasal, ganyan. So, ngayon, you really are preparing yourself to be in a situation na talagang may commitment. Willing ka na maghintay para meron ka rin hinihintay na tao rito na mag-commit sa'yo eh. But on your own, you are independent. You can take care of yourself. There are just times, no, may mga pagkakataon lang na naisip mo na kung sana may dumating, merong, makakasama ka hanggang sa pagtanda mo. Be supportive. Make a genuine effort to show you care. Ayan. So, effort pagdating sa connection. So, example, there is someone na nagugustuhan mo. You make an effort. Minsan kasi yung iba natatakot. Natatakot na mag-effort kasi baka walang bahala yung effort nila. So, for some of you, if you are really, gusto nyo talagang magkaroon ng relationship, you have to be ready to be vulnerable, to be open, to connect with someone. Kasi yung iba nagmumukmuk lang eh, oh. I mean, yes, okay lang naman yan for a while, lalo na kung ikaw ay nagre-recover from a past situation. Pero kung gusto mo talaga na magkaroon ng ka-relationship, you have to go out there, no? And connect with people. Kasi you'll never know na baka doon mo makikilala yung person mo. And be more patient. Huwag masyadong magpadalos-dalos din. Dahil eventually, you will meet this person, someone is very serious about you. Can be a Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. Okay? So, that is your reading, Gemini. Thank you so much. Bye!